Ever imagine owning a peaceful private villa in Bali, just minutes from the beach and all your favorite spot? This tropical two-bedroom villa might be just the one for you. Built on 163 square meters of land with 127 square meters of enclosed living area, this two-story villa offers both privacy and flow. Everything about this villa is made for relaxed tropical living. This enclosed kitchen, dining, and living area makes it the perfect year-round home. Whether you're living full-time, staying seasonally, or welcoming guests, it's practical, beautifully furnished, and move-in ready. Upstairs, you'll find two cozy bedrooms, each with plenty of natural light, a warm design touch, and their own ensuite bathrooms, a peaceful space perfect for relaxing, remote work, or family time. Now, let's check out the outside area. Outside, you've got a private swimming pool surrounded by a low-maintenance layout that maximizes every square meter, no unnecessary upkeep, just comfort and ease. There's also a private parking space for both car and motorbike, plus a storage room. It's perfect for surfboards, luggage, or anything else you need tucked away. And thanks to the wide access road, getting in and out is simple and stress-free. The villa is offered on a 22-year leasehold with the option to extend, giving you both flexibility and peace of mind. At just $190,000, this is a rare opportunity to have a stylish, finished property in Bali's one of the most desirable areas. Located just a few minutes from Canggu's vibrant cafes, top gyms, and the beach, this villa gives you the perfect balance of quiet comfort and easy access to everything you need. 3 units are available now, all fully complete and ready for you. So, are you ready to make the move, invest in your future, and live in your own island home in Bali? If so, send us a message today to get more details or schedule a private viewing. This could be the beginning of your new life in paradise.